Uh, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shweta. I have a very small basic makeup tutorial for you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys a very natural looking no makeup look. I've done no makeup looks before in my channel, but then I like to keep updating on that because I keep changing my products and I keep changing my style of applying makeup. So this is what I currently do for a very natural look. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to prep your skin. Make sure your skin is clean. Just use a cleanser and wash your face and make it clean. And now I'm gonna apply. If you want to, you can apply a moisturizer. I will always suggest you to do a moisturizer before your makeup. So if you have a sunscreen, you can use that as well. So you can use any moisturizer that you want. I'm just going to use the medicated moisturizer that I'm using right now. So this was by a dermatologist to me. It's called Venusia. It's available in all the shops, I guess, all the medical store, I guess. So it's not like a cosmetic, but it's suggested by a dermatologist to me. It's very mild. I actually thought of doing a voiceover for this video, and then I thought it's been a while since we talked. I feel like talking to you guys. So that's why I'm making this video like this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, I have the Sugar Cosmetics primer with me. So this is Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. So let's see, when you open it, like this, just take a little bit on your finger like that. It's gel consistency, it's transparent. Just apply it on your face wherever you have large pores. So yeah, okay, so I have the primer on. It blended on really easily. It's so easy to blend to your skin. So the primer is done. Now I'm not gonna do a lot of makeup here. It's just gonna be a little bit. So this is the foundation that I'm gonna use. So when you need a very natural no makeup look, make sure your foundation is exactly your skin tone. Otherwise you look like you have makeup on. This one is really matching with my skin tone, and this is Colorbar 24 hours weightless liquid foundation in the shade FW 7.3. That is my shade. So it comes like this with a pump. I'm just gonna apply my face like this. So this one is really matching with my skin tone, so I don't have to worry about, you know, looking really white or anything. Using this foundation brush from Sugar Cosmetics, I'm just blending it out. As you guys can see, it blends out into my skin so well. It's like exactly my skin tone. See, so when you're going for a natural look, it's always better to have same skin tone foundation. I mean, it's always better to have same skin tone foundation, but it's really hard to get, especially for us dark girls. But now a lot of new brands are coming up, and a lot of brands have darker shades as well nowadays. I have a bigger mirror over there, but I cannot really see. I'm blind, so that's why I have to look very close. That's why I have a smaller pathetic mirror with me. Yeah. So that's done, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of concealer. Believe it or not, my favorite concealer right now is Swiss Beauty concealer. This is so cheap, you guys. This is like, I think 300 something rupees. It's very cheap. It's very affordable, but it's actually really good, and this is my favorite concealer right now. I always use this. So it's a new, when I did a no makeup look before, I used to do a triangle shape concealer under my eyes, but now that is not the case. Now we apply the concealer here and here. This is for it's like a lifting your face up kind of method. I learned it from TikTok, and I'm just gonna apply it on my face wherever I need to highlight, and here, and a little bit here, and here. That's it. These are places where I apply concealer. I look like, I don't know what I look like, but I look funny. Now I have to blend it out. You can use a sponge if you want, but yeah, I'm too lazy to go find the sponge, so I'm just gonna use this. And this concealer, you guys, it's really thick. It's like thick consistency. It gives a really good coverage. I love it. So the products that I'm using will be listed down below in the description box as usual. If you're kind of done. Okay, so this one is in the shade number 1. So I'm just now we I cannot talk. Okay, now we have all the liquid products on our face. I'm just gonna set it with Sugar Cosmetic translucent powder. I'm using translucent powder so that it won't cake up again on my face. I just don't want to change the color shade of my face. As of now, it's okay. So I'm just gonna. The one thing that I do is add blush. And adding blush will create a kind of dimension that on your face. So I'll just show you guys. What I do is take this Sugar Cosmetics blush stick, and this is a beautiful shade, you guys. This is 02 Pink Prime. This is like a peachy pink, and I love it. It's perfect for skin tone like mine, and try it out. So for me, this is what I do. So for me, for a no makeup look, I don't contour my face and do bronzer and contour stick and all that. I just use a blush. So I'll show you guys how I use the blush. So I'll just do like this. Can you see the blush there? So yeah, that's the blush. Now see here and here. That's it. Now I'll just blend it out with my fingers. Again, for this you can use your sponge or whatever you want, but I use my finger because it's the easiest. By now you will know that I am actually a very lazy person. Okay, so I'm just blending it out. See, this blush gives like a blush from within kind of look. It actually looks like you're blushing and not the makeup. It's very mild when you blend it out. You won't be even see it, but it has this very pretty peachy pink look. So the eyebrows, I just don't do the full thick eyebrows anymore. I just I just give an outline to my eyebrows and just blend it out. So first of all, I'll just do this with the spoolie, and I'll just draw a small line underneath. Small line here, very light, very gentle. So there shouldn't be like dark solid lines on your eyebrows. Should be blended out really well. Take your time, be patient, and blend it out. Now we have this kind of very mild eyebrows, so I'm gonna just do the same thing on the other side. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is this. This is the Swiss Beauty eyeliner palette. This is the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is all the Swiss Beauty products are really affordable, you guys, and the products are also good. So this is a very, can you see? This is a very dusty pink, rosy color, and it is actually a peachy pink. It's not like pink, but it matches with my skin tone. So what I do is I just take a little bit of that color and just create a little bit of dimension on the lids. So I start from the corner like this and blend it out inwards like that, just to create some dimensions. It's like a very, mild color. It won't be like, won't be very visible that you're wearing eyeshadow. If you have a problem with that, I mean, nobody should have a problem with that, but yeah. Brownish, peachy pink. I don't know, I'm just saying the names of colors. If you noticed, I said brown, peachy, pink. If you understood what color that is, this is what I mean. So if you can see the difference from here and here, this is, I have concealer on my lids. So it's very visible that I have concealer on my lids. Doesn't look good. So when I use this color on my lids, it looks very natural. So that is what I'm gonna do here also. So the next thing that I really want you guys to do is, this is a must. You cannot skip this. You have to use mascara on your eyes, because you don't have to use anything else on your eyes. This eyeshadow will give the definition, and then you can use this mascara, and this really makes a difference, you guys. Mascara creates the whole eye look. You don't have to do anything else, but just go ahead and pack the lashes. See the difference between two eyes. I just have mascara on this, nothing else. I have not used kajal, I have not used eyeliner, nothing, just mascara. And look at the difference. This is like open and this is like dead. This actually makes a lot of difference to your lips, you guys. Especially if you have very thin lips and if you want a fuller lip. I'm gonna use this dark brown gold color lip liner. So what I do is I just close my mouth and then line, so that it gives a bigger lip kind of look if you want that. Otherwise, just go ahead and line your outline of the lips. So we have the lips lined, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. The lips will look so much fuller when you do this. And I'm gonna just use this very nude color lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics. So yeah, this lip liner is from Swiss Beauty again, and this comes in a whole packet with a lot of lip liners. I'll put the link down below, check it out. So this one is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Wonder Woman edition, and this is in the shade Ballerina Ballet 06. If you want, you can use a little bit of gloss, because that's the look right now, which is in trend. I'm just gonna use it on the center of my lips. I love it. And it's so easy, you guys. And if you want, you can finish this off with makeup mist. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist. If you want, you can use this. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini makeup tutorial, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, more makeup tutorials, more back to basics videos, let me know in the comments down below. You guys should actually talk to me. I have like 31.5 something K subscribers, but there are literally like 4 to 5 people that comment on all of my videos. Why? Just talk to me, and what kind of content are you looking for, so that I can understand that what my subscribers would want to watch. So and I would love to have a very good community here, and I would love to get to know you guys. So this is one platform that I reply to everybody who comments on my video, so please talk to me, comment down below. I hope to see you guys in my comment section. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.